In today's video, I am going to teach you how to authenticate domain in Brevo. Domain authentication is an important setup step because it helps Brevo verify that you own the domain you are sending from. It also improves email deliverability, which means your campaigns are more likely to reach inboxes instead of spam folders. Before you begin, make sure you can access your Brevo account and be ready to confirm DNS changes for your domain if needed. First, log into Brevo and go to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile name to open the account menu. From there, choose the Settings option. In the Settings area, look for a section labeled Senders and IP. Click into that area, because this is where Brevo manages sender identities and domain-related settings. Once you are inside Senders and IP, find the Domains section. Click Domains and then choose the option to add a new domain. This will start the process of linking and authenticating the domain you want to send emails from. Now enter your domain name carefully. Use only the domain itself, and double-check for spelling, because even a small typo can prevent verification. When you are ready, click Add Domain to confirm. After adding the domain, you will see authentication options. Choose the option that says Authenticate the domain yourself. This is the path that allows you to complete verification using the domain records Brevo provides. Next, select Continue to use the automated configuration. This helps guide the setup and speeds up the verification process. At this stage, Brevo will verify the records associated with your domain. If you do not see verification immediately, stay patient. DNS updates can take some time to propagate, depending on your provider. When Brevo confirms that the records are verified, click Done. Then at the end of the flow, make sure you also select the option to authenticate this email domain. This final confirmation ensures the domain is fully authenticated for sending. Once that is complete, your domain authentication in Brevo is set, and you are ready to send with stronger trust and better deliverability. And that is all there is to it.